reports of large hail, damaging winds, or flash flooding to our office. And now the extended outlook. Very hot and humid weather is expected to develop Wednesday through Friday. Heat index is likely to exceed 105 in many locations, especially along and southeast of Interstate 85. A heat advisory could be needed. Anyone spending time outdoors should have plenty of water and take frequent breaks in the shade. This is the NOAA Radio All Hazards, WXL-70 broadcasting from a tower on Spencer Mountain in Reno, North Carolina, operating on a frequency of 162.475 megahertz. This transmitter is serving the Piedmont of the Carolinas. The current time is 5:59 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. The Charlotte, North Carolina climate summary for this evening has a 4 p.m., July 30th, 2024. Today's high temperature of 88 degrees occurred at 3:33 p.m. The normal high is 90. The record high is 101 degrees, which was set in 2011. Today's low temperature of 73 degrees occurred at 1:02 a.m. The normal low is 70. The record
First
in the following counties in North Carolina: Buncombe, Cleveland, Graham, Haywood, Henderson, Jackson, Macon, Madison, Polk, Rutherford, Swain, and Pennsylvania. And the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville, Anderson, Cherokee, Greenville, Greenwood, Lawrence, Oconee, Pickens, Spartanburg, and Union. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 574 has been issued from 6 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time until 11 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Georgia: Banks, Albert, Franklin, Habersham, Hall, Hart, Raven, Stevens, Towns, and White. And the following counties in North Carolina: Buncombe, Cleveland, Graham, Haywood, Henderson, Jackson, Macon, Madison, Polk, Rutherford, Swain, and Pennsylvania. And the following counties in South Carolina: Abbeville, Anderson, Cherokee, Greenville, Greenwood, Lawrence,